If you need to request a refund from Zelle, it's important to understand the process and the limitations involved. Follow these steps to guide you through the refund request. Step 1. Verify transaction details. Check your transaction history to confirm the details of the payment you want to dispute. Make sure you have the date, amount, and recipient information handy. Step 2. Contact the recipient. Reach out to the person you sent money to if possible. Sometimes, the recipient may agree to refund the money directly, which can be a quicker solution. Step 3. Review Zelle's policies. Familiarize yourself with Zelle's policies regarding refunds. Zelle transactions are typically instant and irreversible, so understanding the rules can help set your expectations. Step 4. Contact your bank or credit union. If the recipient is unresponsive or unwilling to refund you, contact your bank or credit union. They may have specific procedures for disputing a transaction made through Zelle. Step 5. File a dispute. If necessary, file a formal dispute with your bank. Provide all relevant information and documentation to support your claim. Be aware that the outcome may vary based on your bank's policies. In conclusion, while getting a refund from Zelle can be challenging due to the nature of the service, following these steps can help you navigate the process effectively.